It's your boy Endless, checking back in with another unboxing. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this really cool 8-in-1 portable power source. I actually got this as a present, and as you guys know, I always like to do unboxings of new products that I get, so I'm really looking forward to this. But let's go on ahead and dive into it. First things first, let's read the directions. This is important. Read this information before using the device. This device may arrive partially charged. Charged for 72 hours before initial use. Battery status indicator LED turns solid green. So make sure you do this first. I can't stress it enough. When you have a new battery, make sure it's starting out at 100%. And here's the specs. Alright, so I got the directions out. This is the 8-in-1 portable power source with unit battery hand generator. And this is in the directions right here. This is really cool, and I'll tell you why. Because it has 8-in-1 different options, which you could use if you were stuck on the side of the highway, or if you were going camping, or if you needed power source somewhere where you can't get power. This is basically portable power. That's what this is. So the first thing on here is the air compressor, so you can charge up your tires in case you get a flat tire. You know, you should also be carrying around a can of Fix-A-Flat just in case. Turn on the air compressor. It also has a meter right here. That thing's pretty loud, so we're not going to do that too loud. You can also power this by, because there's a battery in here, you can charge up the battery through a cigarette lighter, as you can see here in the car, and you can also plug it in the wall and charge it up. If you want to charge your battery because you're out in the middle of nowhere and you need to charge it, you can always pull it too. That's a good little arm workout right there. The other cool thing is this thing actually comes with jumper cables, so that if your battery needs a jump start, it has a jump start feature. On the front up here, it has an outlet so that you can actually plug stuff in. So anybody out there, if your electricity goes out, you work from home full time, like myself, it's really beneficial to have something on hand so that you can plug in that laptop if need be. You never know when you might lose power. The other cool thing is you can plug in not only that, but any 12-volt plug-in, basically what's in your car, a cigarette lighter. There's also a flashlight on here. As you can see here, the unit's on, it's green. 5 LEDs. But anyway, we're going to use this. My mom actually got this for me, so thanks, Mom. The other thing is there's a 15 amp fuse down here. And there's also charging ports right here where you plug it in to charge it if you're at home. The power inverter on here for this front says that it's capable of doing 140 watts of power. But yeah, guys, check it out. We're going to be testing this out. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, subscribe button to show support to the channel. It's your boy Endless. More products and unboxings coming soon. Peace.